Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC CR 1500 AT4. The AT4 truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and mated up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the AT4, you have your AT4 branded door cards, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, 4-wheel drive system as well as driving modes, trailer mode, automatic headlights, fog light button. Truck does have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters on the reverse side, a full digital gauge cluster as well, fully customizable. You do have push-button ignition, can't miss it, it's huge. You have a 13.4-inch touchscreen as well using the Google operating system. Google Maps, Google Assistant, and Play Store all available, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. You do have the lane keep assist, auto stop start features equipped in the vehicle. Your automatic shifter knob as well. You do have your integrated agility braking system there, dual cup holders, wireless charging pocket. The AT4 has the all black interior with the light trim Kalahari inserts, Bose audio, and our AT4 branded leather heated seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC CR 1500 AT4. We do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the beautiful alloy wheels and the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires. We have color-matched door handles with keyless entry, blacked out window trim, AT4 badging, Duramax turbo diesel plaque. Coming down to the front of the vehicle, we have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. The AT4 branded black chrome grille with the red tow hooks. The AT4 does come with the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Duramax turbo diesel plaque right there as well. Coming down the crew cab, your tinted privacy windows and remote start equipped. Towards the back of the truck, we have our color matched rear bumper, trailer tow package, dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready and heated. We do have in-seat storage and a sliding rear window, extra headroom over top with an LED lighting, as well as a single pane sunroof. 3-stage heated seat controls and USB ports, as well as rubberized floor liners and carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC CR AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.